Hello everybody, today is Friday. It's 10:30 right now. We woke up at like 8, ate some breakfast, and then I just went to go get a coffee, and Luca just had a little nap in the back seat. Hopefully he doesn't wake up with him trying to talk. Figured I'd film today because we are going to go to Smiling Hill Farm. It's so cute there. I went there once before. They just have like all the farm animals out there, and you can go in and pet them, feed them. They have some ice cream there. It's just a really like big place, but it's so fun. And so I figured we'd take Luca now that he's like a good age for it. So we're gonna go do that at 1:15. We have to be there. Right now it's 10:30. We woke up at like 7:30, already had breakfast, and I just went to go get a coffee, and Luca just had his morning nap. So now we're probably gonna go back and hang out for a little bit. I'm gonna change, get Luca dressed for the day, and then we're gonna go to Smiling Hill Farm. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along and yeah, have a cute video of Luca playing with some animals. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try and bring my other camera too, just like to take good photos of him there. So hopefully he won't be scared of the animals. He's never like, we just brought him to what was it, Gray Animal Park. I'm pretty sure that's the one, and it's like lots of Maine wildlife, but it's, you know, they're set back in cages because it's like bobcats and bears and coyotes, things like that. So we obviously couldn't go close to them and touch them, but he liked looking at them from afar. So I don't know how he's gonna feel being so close to them and touching them. So hopefully it'll be fun, and hopefully this ends up being a cute video and not my child just was being scared the whole time. Do you want to say hi, Luca? Say good morning. Do you look handsome? Do you look so handsome? Want to give them a kiss?
Oh no.
Oh no. Sorry.
Oh no.
Okay, we'll go.
I think we started something, gonna tell the world again. Oh, you're so beautiful, I just can't hold it in. I think we started something, I hope it never ends. I hope it never ends.
Say hi. Oh, baby. Oh my god.
Oh, I like that one. What do you think, honey?
Oh, they're so cute.
Oh, he still has the acorn. That's not what they do, silly.
Come on, baby.
Hi. Oh my gosh, this one's cute. Do you want to come home with us? Do you want to come home with us? I like this one. We're friends.
Do you like the goats?
Should we try to feed them? Gigi bought food. You can try to feed them.
Honey, look how cute. They're so silly. Look at this little guy.
Yeah.
Have we fed them yet? No. Look, watch. What? It ate from Gigi's hand.
I don't know if I'm supposed to do that.
No.
What do we do?
It put it in your hand. Watch, they're gonna eat. Look.
Oh, Luke's not
They're
liking
taking
this.
on hand. They're so hungry. Don't give them like that. You give it to them in your hand. You're gonna waste all the food. No, look, baby. Watch, honey. Watch. Watch,
What's
they're
wrong?
eating. No, look, baby. They're hungry.
They're eating, honey.
Look, they're so hungry. Watch. They're hungry. They're being silly. They're eating food. Aww. Aren't
It's
they so
okay.
sweet? Baby. They're eating. Hey, they're just eating.
They're hungry.
Hey. Hey.
Sorry.
They're so hungry. They just, no, you want to move?
There's one snack. These two are like, where are my snacks?
We're moving on, honey. It's fine.
It's okay.
Let's feed them the cones.
Baby.
Baby.
Wow, that's a
You're
big
so
goal.
nice. You want to give this one? Wow. They love you, Luca. Wow, they're so hungry, aren't they? Want to give the little baby this one? Give this to the baby. Give that one to the baby. Oh, you're so sweet.
Baby.
That's a big
That's
one.
a big mama goat.
Here, we can.
Oh goodness, oh goodness.
Oh, look, watch.
Oh goodness.
Whoa. it crazy? Oh my gosh, they ate every bite. Oh gosh, your fingers. Here. Aw. Do you want to feed Mom? Hi. Oh, they're eating all the food from the ground that we dropped. Here, let's move it in closer so they can get more. Oh, don't poke its nose. Don't poke its nose. You love the goat. No, that's a cow. Cow. He's so excited.
He's overwhelmed. They just need to be all together in the same
Here, do
pen.
you want Mama to pick you up so you can see this big guy? Look.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Say hi, Mr. Cow. Aw, you love the cow. Aw, isn't he cute? Cute. You think the cow is cute?
I think you're cute, Luca.
Say hi, girl. What about you? He knows what's coming up. Oh no, we're about to go in. No, there's nothing
It's
left for them.
empty.
You're so sweet. You're very nice. It's empty though. They ate all of it. They ate all of it. Here, you can have these crumbs. Oh no.
I have like one.
no.
Oh,
Oh, no.
oh.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Goats will eat everything. I
Okay.
have one piece, honey.
Say hi. Say hi, Mr. Goat. You wanna back-
Oh, I love
you
you.
wanna go see it?
So cute.
Guys, did you
Good
hear?
job.
Yeah, say it again. Doesn't seem like they're very relaxed. I
They're
don't know if
very
they
chill.
Want to be touched. You know, should we go pet this guy on the head? Let's go give him some love.
He looks friendly.
Love, yeah. Say hi. Friendly.
Let's go get this little black
Get
one.
him doing the ba. That's really funny. Do it again. Ah.
You are speaking their
Again.
language. I love
I'm
this
sure he's
one.
gonna do it again.
Hi. Oh, hello.
This one's so nice.
You're so friendly.
Can I say hi?
Oh, they're so
I
soft.
know.
Oh, oh, I have to return that. I have to return. Oh, okay. It's eating the leaf. I have to return that.
Luca, go to your stroller.
You can't eat the bin. There's no food in it.
What's in your stroller? It thinks we still have food. I know. Oh, Luca's getting. It's okay.
He's getting concerned. He
It's
loves his
okay.
stroller.
The goat's not gonna eat your stroller. It's just
No,
looking
it
for
wants the little basket
Oh, that
because it
one
smelled the food. Oh my goodness.
You're really good at that. Oh, we have this goosey one coming behind us.
Oh dear. What happened?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
Oh god.
Okay, you're okay.
Oh, oh.
Do you want to go see these ones?
Okay.
Say hi. Be gentle.
Hello,
is
goat.
Is it pregnant?
Oh yes. It's a mama.
Be gentle.
She has
It
babies in her
she has
belly.
Babies. Be gentle. Gentle. Look, she has babies in her belly. Oh my god, she's a mama. She's a mama.
Mama.
Yeah. Oh, you're so sweet.
So sweet.
Oh, you're so nice, Luca.
That was the sweetest thing ever.
Sweet. Well, don't scare it. What?
Oh, so cute.
Oh, good job, Luca. Good job. Oh, he's so cute.
Do you want to sit inside of it? Do you want to get inside? Okay. You need help? Whoa.
You're driving. You're driving.
What
You
a
look
face.
so cool.
This is too cool,
Is
Luca.
that cool?
Dada.
Yeah, you're controlling
real
it.
tractor crane, yes.
Wow. Careful. No more slipping. You want to get down? Okay. Look how cute. Oh, you see? Oh, he's trying to feed it. You're sweet. I'll come back, somebody.
What are you feeding him?
A grain.
Oh, you found some?
Yeah. Here, we can put it in. Do you like that? They're big, aren't they? Oh, big.
Ooh.
Hi. Hello. Do you want me to pet you too?
That one's stomping.
This one? Oh.
No, no.
Hi, Pinky Donkeys.
They're so cute.
Oh my god. It's so soft. Should we get a donkey? He didn't seem too impressed with it. Goats are his favorite.
Yep. Luca Gray on the choo-choo train.
You're so cool. You're in a real choo-choo.